In this template support video, we'll show you how to add an expense account to the personal finance template. Just to start off with, let's go to the sources sheet, and I just want to show you as well, if you want to add a source, this is like a bank account or a credit card account. It's very easy to do. We just go to you can obviously edit your source codes and descriptions of the 4 default items. But if you want to add another one, you just type in the code CC01, say, and it's the first blank cell in column A, and the table extends automatically, and we're just going to say example card. Okay, so the columns with light blue column headings contain formulas which calculate these amounts based on any user-defined start date. You'll have an opening balance, income and receipts, expenses and payments, contra accounts or transactions where you transfer funds between maybe your card and your bank account and so forth. And then you have net account movements, which is the net of all of these, and your closing balances. So if you go to the transactions sheet where you record your transactions, you will see that card that we've just added. It's already there. Okay, but that's just on a side note. What I really want to do is show you how to create a new account. So as an example, I'm just going to add an account here. So you can insert the entire row if you're not using one of these rows, where if you insert a row, it'll create a blank line there. Alternatively, you just right click, go insert, and we're saying table rows above. We're going to say 405, and we're going to say example. Okay, so it's indicated in orange, which means you're not done yet. You need to add that expense account to the report sheet as well. So let's just go to the report sheet, go to the expenses section, and we're just doing it here. Insert a row, copy the entire previous row, and change the account number to 405. And there, the new account has been inserted. If we go back to the account sheet, you'll see it's not orange anymore. And that's how you add a new account to the personal finance template. If you want to view more template support videos, you can find them in the support section of our YouTube channel.